Today, I'm going to be showing you how to set up an amazing hands on sight word activity for your first grader or maybe even your kindergarten kid. And the reason why I love this activity is because it is hands on, there's no worksheets, just full on tactile manipulatives, plus some sensory play. The key is to always have fun with it, go with the flow, go with what your child is doing, kind of take it in the direction they want to go in because your goal here is to make it fun and something that they want to be involved in. You want to make learning fun. So, about me, I am Stephanie Fail. I am a cognitive psychologist and a toddler mom, and I started my company, Little Moon Paper Company, to help preschoolers, toddlers, and early elementary school kids fall in love with learning. And I do that with printable activities that you can find on my website at littlemoonpapercompany.com. So, what you're going to need for this activity is a sensory bin. I use a big plate, a serving tray, and I usually use dried beans because that's what we happen to have on hand at home. But you can use uncooked rice, uncooked pasta, ping pong balls, pom poms, really whatever you have on hand. You're also going to need a set of sight words. I'm going to be using my sentence sight words today that feature fries, high frequency sight words, plus a picture, plus a sentence for context. And the final thing you need are letters. So you can use wooden letters, plastic fridge letters with magnets on the back. You can even print out a set of letters or hand write them on individual pieces of paper. And first, what we're going to do is set up the sensory bin. So fill your tray with your sensory items, and then you're going to nestle in the letters, the sight word cards, and I like to include little trinkets, little things like my son can play with. And first, you're going to model finding the sight words. So you're going to be digging around in the sensory bin, find the sight words, and lay them down. And then you're also going to find the letters and start pulling those out as well. And then the first step is to read the sight word aloud, then read the sentence and have your child find the sight word. And then you're going to spell the word with the letters found in the sensory bin. So, the reason why this activity is so powerful is because it is hands on. So, no worksheets here. Kids at this age really learn by manipulating and playing with their hands. It also gives them that sensory experience of digging around in the sensory bin. I like to use engaging photos on my sight word cards to keep the kid focused on the activity. Also, I like to give the context of the word in use in a sentence so that it's not just an arbitrary word you're learning. It's actually something that we use every day and we show how we do that. So if you want to set up an activity like this at home, you can download the sight word cards. Check out the description. There's a link in there for a couple of different variations that I have, all using Fry's high frequency words. So yeah, check it out and don't forget to subscribe to hear about new activity ideas for your preschool or toddler or early elementary school kid.